In this video, we are going to see how to install any extensions on Firefox for mobile. As you may know, Firefox only supports a few extensions on mobile. So let's get started. First, let's search for an extension that is only supported on desktop. As you can see, the Add to Firefox button is grayed out and we can select it. So what we are going to do is click on the menu icon and request the desktop site. The button is enabled and we can install the extension. Keep in mind that these extensions are designed for desktop, so make sure you know what you are doing. And that's it. Hope this video was useful. Like and share and subscribe.